Everyone, and today we are at Xiamen University Malaysia, and you are joining with us today with one of our episode with campus tours. So a little bit about Xiamen University. Xiamen University is actually a public university from China, and right now we have a university in Malaysia, which is actually a collaborative effort from China and Malaysian government. But Xiamen University is operating as a fully private university in Malaysia itself. So talk about the ranking. Xiamen University is holding 196 global ranking, and they have 5 majors starting from social science, business, IT, and engineering. So these are the main key subject areas they are covering, starting from foundation all the way up to PhD. So this is a university we are going to explore today. The campus facilities, student life, and also we are going to potentially interview 1 or 2 students to get to know their student life. Stay tuned with us. Today we explore Xiamen University. Hello everyone, and today we are actually in the Xiamen University Malaysia, and we have a special guest with us, which is a student who is actually studying in the campus. So we are going to ask him the learning experience in the university, and so far what is actually his plans for his future. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Dixon. I'm from Indonesia, and currently I'm studying Master of Communication and Culture here. And I did my degree in advertising here as well, with full scholarship until my master degree right now.
So Dixon, from Indonesia to Malaysia, how is your journey? Why did you choose Malaysia, and specifically why Xiamen University?
During my time, the best offer that I can get is Xiamen is because I came from a very small island. So a big amount of, tuition fees is actually a burden for my family. So when I was searching for scholarship, and I found Xiamen University Malaysia is opening for full scholarship for those students who are eligible to obtain the full scholarship. So I tried, and luckily, fortunately, I got the full scholarship. And it's also another reason is because I want to study on advertising, which is very rare subject that I can find in Indonesia. So it is one of the reasons why I chose Xiamen University at the end.
Great. So you actually study your bachelor's degree, and now you're doing your master's, and you have a plans to go to PhD, right? So can we know, like, when you go through this bachelor's degree and master's degree, what kind of students that you actually met as friends, and what kind of nationalities they are from, and are you comfortable overall as a campus student? Talk about the campus life.
So in my time, during my batch in advertising, we have so many nationalities friends, ranging from Indonesia, Malaysia, and then some Central Asia students like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and then we also have China friends as well, and also got Korean and Taiwanese students. And I can say living in the international environment is a very good point to have cultural exchange, and then to know each other habits in different cities, different season. And then I can say that it's a very good experience because we can open up, we can widen our mindset, our perspective about the interaction within society, and then within cross-cultural societies as well. So it's been a very pleasure experience because we have so many nationalities right now. The latest that I get is around 83 nationalities that have joined our university.
Great. So final 2 question, Dixon. Talk about campus facilities. I went through the campus, is actually top 5. So really nice facilities. But as a student, how do you see the facilities and lecturers, your studies? How do you see overall these ones?
Okay. Standing from student perspective, we have so many, a complete facilities that can equip students to have a good learning experience here, ranging from, because I'm from School of Communication, so we have broadcasting studio, we have photography studio, audio recording studio, we have Mac lab, which is iMac computer, and then we also have Windows lab, And then about the student activities, we have gym room, we have cardio room, swimming pool, and then we have a very big library that you will going to visit soon.
Yes.
And then we also have musical island where students can have a chill time and then can enjoy if got some mini concerts that held in our campus. And then standing from a academic perspective, our lecturers here is very supportive. And then 80% of our lecturers are holding a PhD degree, which is in terms of research, in terms of knowledge, we can guarantee about their ability to teach and then to deliver or share their knowledge with the students. Yeah.
Great. So Dixon, what is your plan, by the way, after your master's finish? Are you going to progress to the PhD, and what is your overall plan, if you can share with our viewers?
So currently I'm doing my master here. And beside being a full-time student, I also assist our faculty, my faculty School of Communication, to become the assistant lecturer. So I also did teach some subjects in the advertising major. And then my future plan, if goes with my plan, I want to become a lecturer.
Okay.
I want to hone my skill in academic, and I wish that I can become a good academia. And about the PhD journey, School of Communication, next year, they will open a PhD in communication. So if they're successfully open and I still get a full scholarship, it will be a very huge opportunity or big chance for me to continue my PhD here as well.
Sounds good. What is the final message, Dixon, from you, those who are watching these videos, our students and the parents who's looking forward to come to Xiamen? What is your final message?
For me, I only can say aim high, because it's only for you to step ahead. You need to, you need to come up from the comfort zone. It's a very common quote that everyone use, but it's a very useful message that can be learned by the student as well. Because once you step out from a comfort zone, you will see a very, a very variative perspective that you never see before. Like culture, you never see how is the beauty of other nationalities' culture.
Correct.
And then you will never know how is the international environment look like if you stay in your country.
All right. So message from Dixon for all the viewers. Stay out from your comfort zone. Consider Xiamen University. We are going to explore the campus today. Stay tuned with us. Thank you very much. All right. So we are at the first stop, which is the main library for Xiamen University. As you can see, the students are actually studying. So we're not gonna speak much, but you can actually see how the students study here, and also how is their student, basically the study part. Alright, so while we are doing the campus tour, we actually found something very interesting. So maybe you can come and see. This is actually the founder for the Xiamen University Malaysia, and also for the China University as well, Mr. Tan Kaki, which is the founder's mini museum. We can actually go and see. So it's actually consists about the China history and what is his inspiration to build this massive university to educate more and more youngsters and generations. So as you can see, these footages are actually to reflect the relationship between the China and Malaysia, and this is actually operating as a mini museum, so where actually the students can come and see what has been the inspiration behind the university. So you can go and see the inside here. So there are some interesting things about the relationship between the China and Malaysia, which has been actually been years and years. So this is considered to be one of their offices. So this is a mini museum for the founders. Alright, so today we are actually exploring Xiamen University Malaysia. Since this is a huge campus, so they have provided this kind of shuttle buses for the convenient of the students. So as you can see, this is actually offered by the university for all the visitors, those who actually want to look around the campus, because the campus is too huge, they can't really walk. So they have this kind of a supportive system for the visitors and the students, so they can actually freely walk around and look at the facilities. So next stop, we are going to take a look at the classroom and auditorium. Stay tuned. All right, so this stop we are going to explore average classroom in Xiamen University. So this is a position for the lecturer. So they have a standard microphone, so where the students actually can hear very well. And you can see the seating capacity easily about 50 to 60 students. So this classroom is actually well equipped with the modern facilities, so students can study comfortably. This is one of the average classrooms that you can see in the Xiamen University Malaysia. So after this, we are going to move forward to see the auditorium. Okay, so let's see the auditorium. All right, so we are at the Xiamen University Malaysia. We have a student with us today from China. So can you tell me your name?
My name is Wu Qilong.
And you're from China, right?
Yeah.
What do you study in Xiamen University?
In finance.
So are you in your first year, second year, doing your foundation or the bachelor's degree?
I'm in the first year and do a bachelor here.
Okay. So what is your plan after your graduation? Do you have any plans now?
Maybe I want to back to China and have my master degree.
Great. So what do you think about the Xiamen University Malaysia and Malaysia as a country? Do you like it?
I like Malaysia. I think Xiamen University Malaysia is very international and its campus are very beautiful. And I think I made a lot of friends, not only in China, but the Malaysia, the Kazakhstan here, and it's like border my side.
So you like it?
I like it.
Great. Okay. So wish you all the best for your future, and thank you for doing the interview with us. Say bye. All right. So this is the end of our campus tour with the Xiamen University Malaysia. So before I end the video today, I want to show you the bigger picture of the campus. So as you can see, this is a main entrance to the Xiamen University. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this Xiamen University is actually a collaborative effort from the China and Malaysia. So Xiamen University is actually a public university in China. So they have bring to Malaysia as one of the branch. So this is the main building. And by the way, this is the founder for the Xiamen University Malaysia and also for the China. And basically they are actually offering key majors as business, social science, engineering, and IT. So these are the 5 core modules, core subjects areas they are offering, starting from foundation to degree, masters, and PhD. They do have scholarships starting from 100% to 50%. So if you guys are interested about studying in Malaysia and study in Xiamen University Malaysia, Agape Education Malaysia, we are one of the official representatives to represent Xiamen University and also give out the details for all of our students. So we invite all the students and the parents who watch this video to register with us to do the counseling sessions regarding the university and also the program. Stay tuned with us. We'll see you in our next campus tour.
Agape Education Malaysia, your gateway to higher education in Malaysia.